So we're at camp, but we're still eating fancy. Auntie Cherry is about to whip up this Bibimbap. I don't even know if I'm calling it the right thing.
Who does?
Alright, welcome. But we have a bunch of vegetables over here. We have carrots, we have celery, spinach, zucchini, squash, mango. Over here we have some garlic being toasted. So yeah, Bibimbap underway.
We're going to be sauteing some carrots, stripped in the form of matchstick.
Yeah, we have some matchstick carrots here being sauteed. You turn on the back stove. Yeah.
So today we're introducing. You're welcome. And that's
by the way, that's what the chef looks like. Camp style.
Camp style chef. So our first saute is this matchstick
carrots, and she just barely did it for less than a minute because you want it to still maintain its integrity.
Crispiness.
Yes, crunchy, al dente.
And next we will be adding a little bit more olive oil. I've been always wanting to be on Yardie Belly, so here's my opportunity.
Her debut. Who would have thought that her debut would be at camp? Alright, so we have the squash now being sauteed. Yellow squash.
Being sauteed. Just to make it a little glossy.
Alright.
And then that, the crunch will remain.
Alright, you don't want it to get too soggy, as squash tends to get.
May you find the soya sauce for me.
Soy sauce. Alright. So the squash is done. She's adding that to the pan with the carrots.
Next we're gonna do the zucchini.
And I like how she do them separate because everything takes a different time period to cook. So you don't want to put everything in the pot at the same time. And for presentation purposes, the dish itself calls for the things to be separate. So we're adding the zucchini at this time.
And you can also
And if you guys realize there's also variety in the way the things are cut. Some is circle, some is half circle, some is strips. So yeah, add some more olive oil.
and we just want our vegetables to be crispy but cooked.
Okay. Zucchini added to the crew.
And if you notice, I tried to use similar colors
Okay.
so that our color will clash.
So this is what now?
Celery.
Celery.
And this is referred to as Jamaican style bibimbap.
Yes. Yardie style bibimbap.
Yardie style bibimbap.
Oh, she added a little bit of water. And the burst of flavors that you will get from the variety of veggies will be amazing.
Hopefully it will like
Yeah, she's about to saute the scallion now. Again with olive oil. And Guys, we'll hear a lot of background noise because, as I said, we are at camp. So this is the camp kitchen. Yes, so everybody doing their own little thing. And the spinach was also added with the scallion.
Because we want to fuse the vegetables together.
Alright.
Spinach has its unique flavor, so we want to toss it.
And we are rolling. Spinach added. Yeah.
And in the back we're doing sticky rice, but because of dietary purpose, we're using a brown sticky rice.
Okay. And the healthy way.
Cleaning the pot for a moment. We're going to saute the beef and chicken, but because
so she added some more olive oil to the pan because she is about to saute the meat now. And remember, guys, this is a Jamaican version of Bibimbap, so it's not gonna be the traditional one to the T.
no, because it's Jamaican Bibimbap. Because it's Jamaican style bibimbap, we're going to add a little bit of jerk to bring up the flavor. A whisper of jerk.
So this is what, beef, right?
Beef and chicken.
Okay, this is beef and chicken that was already seasoned.
Yeah. And Yardie Belly did a wonderful job. This is filet mignon.
Okay.
Chicken breast.
Okay.
But Yardie Belly did the perfect part. Yardie have to be nice. If Yardie ain't nice, it's no good.
It's not good again.
Now go on side.
Right. So we're sauteing the chicken and the beef together with the garlic.
Yeah. And a pinch of jerk because it's Jamaican bibimbap.
Bop.
With a little bit of sesame seed. If you notice, the sesame seeds are popping from time to time. See?
Yeah.
Once you eat the sesame seed, it will pop.
Right. And you just saute this for like how long?
Because it's filet mignon, it doesn't take a long time. And the chicken breast is chicken tender, so it also doesn't take a long time. You can also use ground beef if you wish.
Okay.
But because Yardie Belly and Auntie Cherry cannot show up, we are combining things differently today. Yardie Belly, come now, man. And make it go on like make it legal for your show. Yardie.
Yardie Belly. No, sir.
We're adding a little bit of soy sauce. That will also bring up the flavor of the beef. So we just want it sizzling up for a few more moments and we will be ready.
So some people make the thing raw, right? They use raw meat? Or
Yes.
Okay.
Raw. You could use the filet mignon raw as well as the
Salmon?
salmon.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Awesome. So we're at the presentation station now, and we're about to assemble the Bibimbap. And as you can hear the talking in the background because the people doing things.
Vegetable. And with bibimbap, you should have at least 5, the minimum of 5 vegetables. Sauteed. This is the one I want to sneak in to make my presentation not as beautiful. So we're doing carrots, squash, a little bit of celery, yeah, because I like celery, and then cucumber, green squash. And like I said, it's Jamaican bibimbap, so it would not be Jamaican without the mangoes.
Okay. Nice.
Then there's the kimchi, the ground beef, the filet mignon.
Get it right.
And filet chicken breast and our brown rice. The way I'm just putting a little bit of salt to make sure everything is well flavored. And without sesame oil or sesame seed, you're not seeing Korean.
Okay.
And then you sprinkle the sesame seed
Over everything.
And that's because it brings out a unique flavor. So
Nice.
the fact that I'm going to serve Yardie Belly before you kick me out of this kitchen, I'm going to do the proper presentation now. So the base is the rice,
Look at the steam with that rice.
and then whichever vegetable you like. But the color is a key to bibimbap. And remember, I don't want you Korean criticizing me.
Right.
This is Yardie Belly bibimbap, Jamaica style.
Yes.
I will turn with and come to Yardie Belly, say it, make the people them hear that none of me has spoiled up your show. And now we are putting on the kimchi.
Nice.
And after the kimchi, our sauce. Oh my God, Yardie did come in at the kitchen. Thank you, Yardie. But you not kick me out.
This is a pepper sauce. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of sauce.
That's the secret. We won't give you that. You gotta get in touch with Yardie Belly to get the secret. No respect, Yardie. Baby, this is you like Mama Cherry food, Mama? My son said. Joke, Yardie.
Hey guys, Auntie Cherry, thank you so much for your debut on Yardie Belly TV with a Jamaican version. What's your wrong side shirt? Big up the wrong side shirt. Yardie Belly TV, Auntie Cherry, Bibimbap. Remember me tell you. Pepper.
It's good.
Me.
Like, share, subscribe, comment, and everything.
And everything. Because I camp with it and I camp with you. Say. Bye people. Yardie Belly TV. Remember me tell you.